Are you hungry? What would Dad got? My lip, you little dog, the actual food. You little dog. Every time. One day, maybe. We'll get there one day, won't we? Cowpack. A little cowpack. One day you're going to bloody rip that thing out, aren't you? What a babe. Beautiful. Yeah, darling. Oh. Well. Pretty goddamn beautiful, eh? Pretty goddamn beautiful, I think. Yeah. You bloody well are. I love you. I love you. Love you. Leaning in for cuddles. I love you, babe. I love you, babe. Tweet. You are beautiful, darling. Look at you. What do you mean turn away? Now look at yourself. I'm going to go, I would say you are, yeah, I would, yeah, go on. Happy? You're happy with that one? But I'm going to go. Or should we go for kisses? Get out of here. You're trouble, aren't you? Yeah, I know. I know, babe. I'm lucky, aren't I? I'm a lucky man. I'm a lucky man. It's beautiful. Anyway, I love you, babe. Yeah. Yeah. Love you.